My name is Rohit Hangal. I'm director of Sphere Travel Media and Exhibitions, which is organizing this event. See, India International Travel Mart is being held in the city of Hyderabad over the last 20 years. And this time, I'm happy to say, with one of the biggest delegations of stakeholders from the travel and tourism industry, over 20 Indian states and 10 international destinations. And nearly about 12 state tourism departments are participating here. The main objective of organizing the India International Travel Mart is to give the people of Hyderabad a showcase into what is available in this is with regard to their next holiday plan, whether in India or abroad, or whether they're planning a pilgrimage, whether they're planning a wildlife circuit, or whether they want to do an adventure program in the Himalayas, want to do wildlife. There's so much options that are happening, especially now with travel being on the upswing and so many long stays, long weekends coming up. It's an opportunity for people in Hyderabad to come to the IITM event and create their own holiday here. More than 1,000 holiday options can be curated under one roof here at the ITEC City. And it's an opportunity, if even you're planning for your family vacation, for your honeymoon, or you are planning a get-together with your friends, and this is a place where you can get first-hand information, which is the places to go, which are the places to see, how to reach there, and also look at get first-hand information on which are how safe is the destination is for the elderly or for children. You know, when you're planning a family holiday, the people who come from different parts of India, so you can get first-hand information on various packages being floated in the market. A lot of special offers are available here for the people in Hyderabad. So it's an opportunity to come here, look for themselves. There's so much to see in our own country. Even in the city of Telangana, recently the Ramappa temple has been classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. They can come and get information on that as well. Other than that, across India, the people are here, right from Orissa to the north, from northeast India, from Rajasthan, Gujarat. Then you have from Kerala, Meghalaya, Lakshadweep, Delhi tourism, Jharkhand tourism. Then you have missed out anyone. Odisha, of course, they are here. Goa's tourism is here. Other than that, various stakeholders representing various products are here at the IITM, and it's an opportunity. Again, it's a great way to, if you're planning for your New Year holidays or the coming summer holidays, I think this is a once a year opportunity to come and meet and get information out here at the event. Thank you.